Hi YouTube, it's me, NEESYRAYCHELLE, and I'm back at you with another video. So tonight, because it's nighttime where I am, tonight I am going to just try out this Glam Glow. It's a mud mask, and I haven't used it before, but right now at Sephora, at my local Sephora, this is one of the items that you get for free if you have points. So I just wanted to try it out and let you all know how it goes. So I've already cleaned my face with my products that I get from Ethelyn's. It's a local place here in Jacksonville, and her skin products are amazing. And so now it's time for the mask. So never done a mask on myself. When I was in esthetician school, I did mask on other people and people did mask on me, but me doing my own mask is something new. So just open it. Here's the seal. It hasn't been tampered with. It smells kind of minty. No, it smells like NyQuil almost, which I don't like that. So it says to apply a thin layer to clean skin. My skin's clean. And we have to leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes. And then it says we can use it as a full face mask 1 to 3 times a week, or for spot treatment as needed. So it's supposed to clear your skin up, and usually during my time of the month I get breakouts, so I have a little bump here and somewhere up in here. It's the only time I really break out, thank God. But I'm gonna try this out and see if it works. So I have my bowl of water and my white towel to wipe the mask off with, and I think I'm gonna do maybe a 10-minute mask just to give it some time to do something. So let's get to it. I'm gonna grab my mirror and we're gonna start. Okay. So again, it said a thin layer, so we're not going to use a lot of this. Did I not? Guys, I didn't even take all the plastic off. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna leave that at that. Okay, so squeeze some out. And I guess I'm gonna use the dot method, so I'm gonna dot it over my face. I really need to, there we go. I think this is considered a thin layer. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not moving fast enough and it's already starting to dry. Get some down my nose. Okay, I think I have enough on. I think I got it in all my core places. And I made sure I got those bumps. Okay. Rinse my hand off and we are going to let this sit. Ooh. So right now it just, my face kind of just feels like cool air is being blown on it. Let's see, it's 8:46. And so at 8:56, I'm gonna set my timer. I'm gonna take this off. So it does, the consistency of it, it kind of looks like mud, but not, it doesn't have that I don't know. It feels like if you took some dirt and poured some water in it and mixed it around. It's kind of what it feels like. I'm describing mud, but it's not like thick mud, if you get what I'm saying. I don't know. But this is it drying. Interesting. So, as y'all can see, my hair is in a pony now, which means it is time to wash my hair. So tomorrow I think I'm going to do a twist out tutorial. If y'all think that would be a good idea, just let me know, and that video will be up on Wednesday. Okay, so now it's starting to tingle a little bit, and I'm feeling the tingling more in this area and around my mouth. Not necessarily where the bump is though. It's more like just in, I don't know. I'm tingling though. Remember when I said that it kind of smelled like peppermint or NyQuil? One of those medicines. Let's see what's in this. Okay. So if you have sensitive skin, they tell you not to use it. And of course you don't want to get this in your eyes. Use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using. And the week after, where are the ingredients? I see no ingredients. Okay guys, so I don't know what's in it. So basically, if you have sensitive skin, you probably should stay away from it. Let me see. I'm going to try to look it up really quick. Let me get my phone. Let's see. This is the Glam Glow. Glam Glow Super Mud. Okay, so if you want the half ounce of it, it is $24 on their website at Sephora and Nordstrom's, and Google gave this a 4.4. Let's see if we can find the ingredients of this Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. It says it is our most advanced clearing treatment with activated X charcoal. There it is. That's what it is. It's the charcoal. And a super absorbent carbon to attract toxins and dirt from the deepest and toughest areas. Ooh. It was developed by Glam Glow to help fight common skin concerns, designed for men and women. Men, you can use this too. This is not just a women thing. Men get facials too. Remember that. It's for super clear, super poreless skin. So if you have large pores and you're looking for something, they're saying this will help. My pores aren't large, so I'm not really the person for that. You can visibly see your pore congestion pull out and encapsulate within the mask. You can. Hold on, y'all. They didn't say all of that. Oh snap. Yep, you can really see it pulling on your pores. Here, I'm gonna try to zoom in so y'all can see. Let's see. That's not working. Hold on. Can you see it? You see that? I have like dots all over my face from it pulling on my pores. That's pretty cool. Well, that shows you that it's working and it's sticking up to its word. It says after just 1 day of use, 94% felt their skin looked renewed, 91% saw an improvement in skin clarity, and 94% felt it gently cleared their skin. On day 7, after using it 3 times in a week, 98% felt their skin looked renewed, 97% saw an improvement in skin clarity, and 97% felt it gently cleared their skin. So, ingredients. Ooh. Water, that's good. That's always good. Water is a good ingredient. Kaolin, magnesium, aluminum, silicate, mandelic acid, carbon, eucalyptus. That's what that is. So remember I was saying it was tingling? That's the eucalyptus. So it's the eucalyptus globulus leaf powder, aloe barbadensis leaf juice. That was the cooling sensation that I was feeling. Let's see, Glycyrrhiza glabra, which is licorice root. Cucumis sativus fruit extract, which is cucumber. Hydrohelix extract IV. Syphitum officinale, which is a comfrey leaf extract. Chamomilla riscudata, matricaria extract, PEG 12 dimethicone, caprylyl glycol, sodium hydroxide, and a lot of other stuff. Peppermint oil, that's another reason I would be feeling that tingling. It's some pretty decent stuff in here. I guess this is what how I was supposed to apply it. But yeah, y'all, that didn't happen. You see all the ladies on there. They did it right. But this is their website. And if let me see, I've got to get back in focus. There we go. If you want to get it from your local Sephora, you can. If you don't want to wait for shipping. And yeah, so my timer should be going off any second now. And I'll be able to wipe this off my skin. But as you can see, like, I'm still not dry in some areas, but most of my face is dry. I feel like I can't move my face right now, and I shouldn't be talking, but I'm gonna talk to y'all anyway. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. I like how it's making my skin feel. I didn't put a lot on because I usually get nervous about these kind of things, but it's doing its thing. My skin feels so tight. So if y'all have any products that y'all like and y'all would like me to try out and review for y'all, just let me know. I will do that. I don't have any problems doing that. My skin's not too sensitive. I usually can wear just about anything as I've gotten older. So just hit your girl up and I will try it. All right, and here goes my timer in 5, 4, 3, 2, and so I'm gonna get my rag, wring it, I'm gonna wipe this bad boy off. I always use a white towel because white towels don't have dye in them. Ooh. It's kind of flaky coming off in certain areas. It's like, can y'all see? Yeah, you can tell that charcoal's in there. Okay, I'm gonna wet my rag a little bit more because it's not coming off like I want it to. Okay, so what I can say is it did give me a glow. Like, I feel like my skin is glowing naturally now, and I haven't put a moisturizer on yet, so that's a plus. Um, of course, we would have to, do the 3 times a week thing for, any other results to come. But other than that, yeah, it's not a bad product. And I feel like if you do have acne prone skin, which is usually people with oily skin, this product might be good for you. 1 to 3 times a week on your face, yeah, it should clear you up. The ingredients are really good. There's not anything that I wouldn't suggest to put in there. I'd say go for it. It's a go. It's NEESYRACHELLE approved. So thanks for watching. I will be posting this tomorrow, and I hope to see y'all at my next video. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and all my social media is listed below. I'm out.